Hi guys, it's Maximus. We're outside today.
We outside.
Yeah. It's cold, but it's a good day to be out. He's doing a side steps. There you go. Slowly but careful. You have to be careful. You need to slow down. You're almost there. Gucci, Gucci.
It's not ours on the wood.
Yeah. Say bye-bye. See you later. Can you do a cat sound
Yeah.
again?
Meow, meow, meow.
What about a dog sound
Woof, woof,
again?
woof, woof.
Good. What about a cow sound?
Woo.
Ooh. Again? Please? Good. What about a duck sound?
Quack, 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 quack.
Oh. Do that again, please.
Quack, 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 quack.
What about the pig sound?
Oink, oink.
Nice. What about the frog sound?
Rabbit.
Good job, buddy. What about the dinosaur sound?
Wow.
Roar. Scary. Good job, buddy. You did well. High five. Yay!